How to leave a group chat on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS or MMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any group chat from here. If you want to leave this group, then tap on the group name at the top. Scroll down and tap on Leave this conversation. Tap on Leave this conversation again to confirm. You have now successfully left this group. Following these steps, you can easily leave a group chat on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.